What is needed most in this housing market right now? Chris Davis with Real Broker right here in Falmouth, Maine. The #1 request I get is I want move-in ready and I want it to feel like home. Well, welcome home. My latest listing at 12 Terison Drive in Falmouth, Maine. There is so much more than meets the eye. Let's go check it out inside. The sellers of this house love to entertain, and what I love most about this is this entryway. Custom built-ins, warm tile on the floor, and then this beautiful view right into this gorgeous remodeled kitchen into your living space. Appliances were all brand new in 2019, custom cabinetry, red birch island, quartzite countertops. Brewer did this whole renovation right here. You've got a beautiful office right off the living room, wood-burning fireplace for those chilly winter nights. And one thing that I love in terms of space using, you have pantries on each side as you enter into the formal dining room. Oh, just playing a little ditty. Here we have another formal living room with a gas fireplace. Now we're gonna go upstairs. The second floor includes 4 bedrooms. So you have 3 bedrooms and then a whole primary suite, which I'm excited to show you. I love this space. So before we enter the primary bedroom, there is its own lounge. This could be office, fitness space, currently set up with a sewing room. There is another closet here, second floor laundry room, and then this is where we enter into the primary. So you have a beautiful bath, his and her vanities, stand-up shower, big enough for 2 people, and then we enter right in to the bedroom. I love a walk-in closet. Now, before we go outside to see the beautiful grounds, I'm gonna take you to the lower level family room. There is something incredibly special down here. Let's go. Now this is where I like to hang out. Not only is it a fitness space, not only is it a home theater, but there's also a desk space. And let's just get back to the home theater. There are over 9 speakers, totally custom. This sound system, this experience is something that makes you feel like you're at the theater.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom. I mean, just picture sitting here with your family, with your friends, you got popcorn, you are enjoying a cinematic experience right here at 12 Terison Drive. It's incredible. I could sit here all day, but we got to see more of this house. Stepping out onto your Trex deck, you have ultimate privacy back here. The gardens are all beautifully manicured. You have irrigation in the ground, and there's a nice little touch out back in the woods that I can't wait to show you. Let's go. I love it back here. Tucked behind the landscaping, you have a lighted horseshoe pit. And for those of you out of state thinking, oh, it gets pretty cold in Maine, the shoulder seasons here are some of the best to enjoy outdoors by the fire, a nice cup of cider, cup of tea, and you have a nice private oasis on your just under 2-acre parcel to truly enjoy all that Maine has to offer. This is a truly remarkable property right here in Falmouth. You are close to the schools, to the country clubs, to getting onto 295 to head into work, and I hope you have more than 30 minutes to come and truly experience this house. Folks, thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to show you 12 Terison Drive in Falmouth. Here, Francis. Oh, good boy, Francis. I don't have a dog named Francis. I don't even have a dog. But I could imagine having one here with this private backyard with all these woods to explore. This would be a pretty amazing house for a furry friend, just saying. And now I'm gonna go downstairs to that home theater, make some popcorn, watch Lion King. Take care. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good.